The county administrative boards of Blekinge, Kalmar and Östergötland, along with the municipality of Linköping, are working together in the Life Bridging the Gap project. There are 30 different Natura 2000 sites included in the project. 8 are in Blekinge, 9 in Kalmar, 9 in Östergötland and 4 in the municipality of Linköping. LIFE is a fund set up by the EU to contribute to projects which focus on, for example, nature conservation, climate and the environment. Natura 2000 is a network of valuable protected nature conservation sites across the EU. The Bridging the Gap project will work in valuable oak habitats and enhance their values so that they are sustainable into the future and contain the same valuable species. The project includes the following actions: restoring overgrown oak habitats, planting oaks in sites where there is little oak regeneration, creating decaying wood habitats to try and bridge the gap in the age structure, creating artificial habitats to improve the conditions for some rare beetles to survive, breeding and reintroducing the great Capricorn beetle. An important management action is to restore overgrown oak habitats. Oak is a very light-demanding species and thus requires open, sunny conditions to thrive and regenerate. Grazing animals will be reintroduced into the project sites where possible, as grazing animals help keep the oak habitats open. Oak has difficulty in regenerating in several of the sites, which means there is a lack of very young oaks. We will therefore be planting young oaks, but also other broadleaf trees and flowering bushes in the project. The species that the project is mainly focusing on are the stag beetle, hermit beetle, Anthrenocernis stelli and the great Capricorn beetle. The sites included in the project have lots of old oaks, but are often lacking replacements. There are in some places, however, too many younger oaks shading out the old trees. By carrying out veterinisation on these younger oaks, we aim to create old tree structures such as holes in younger trees. Arborists will mimic nature using tools in some 1,200 trees to help bridge the age gap. In old hollow oaks, there is a very special kind of compost that collects inside, which is called wood mould. Research has shown that it is possible to create artificial habitats that function almost like hollow trees for a large number of the species associated with the wood mould in hollow trees. These are called wood mould boxes. 400 of these will be put out in the sites. To favour stag beetle and other wood-living insects, 185 stag beetle habitat piles will also be created. Some of the broad-leaved wood logs from the clearance work will be collected together and partially buried in a particular way to create more suitable decaying wood. The last remaining site with the great Capricorn beetle in the whole of Scandinavia is Halltorps Hage on the island of Öland. On the mainland, the great Capricorn beetle became extinct about 50 years ago. The reintroduction of the great Capricorn beetle is an important action in the project. Adults which have been bred at Nordens Ark will be reintroduced in 2 project sites. These sites are within the historical distribution area for the great Capricorn beetle, and reintroduction is an important action in the National Action Plan for the species. The total budget is €8.3 million. Life Bridging the Gap started in October 2016 and continues until September 2022. Read more about the project on the website.